Understanding duty-free allowance. Save money while traveling. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning fun and accessible. Today, we're diving into a topic that's very useful for travelers: duty-free allowance. Whether you're flying internationally for the first time or you're a seasoned traveler, understanding this concept can help you save money and avoid any unnecessary hassle at the airport. So, let's unravel the mystery of duty-free allowance together. Before we get into the allowance part, let's clarify what duty-free means. Duty-free shops are those retail outlets that are exempt from the payment of certain local or national taxes and duties, on the requirement that the goods sold will be sold to travelers who will take them out of the country. Essentially, when you buy goods in these shops, you're not paying the taxes that you would normally pay in a regular store. This is why many items seem cheaper at duty-free shops. Now, the duty-free allowance refers to the limit on the value or quantity of goods you can bring back into your home country without having to pay duties or taxes. Each country has its own rules regarding what and how much you can bring back. Exceeding this allowance might mean you have to pay taxes on the extra goods, which can sometimes be quite expensive. Different countries have different allowances, but common items that have limits include alcohol, tobacco, and perfume. For example, you might be allowed to bring back 1 liter of alcohol, 200 cigarettes, and a certain amount of perfume without paying any extra taxes. It's crucial to check the specific allowances for the country you're visiting or returning to. To make the most out of your duty-free allowance, plan your purchases according to the limits. If you're traveling with family or friends, you might be able to pool your allowances for larger purchases. Always keep your receipts handy, as customs officers may ask to see them. And most importantly, research the allowances for your destination and home country beforehand. We hope this video has illuminated the concept of duty-free allowance for you. Remember, a little bit of planning and knowledge can go a long way in saving you money and making your travel experience smoother. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English learning content. Safe travels and see you in the next video.